If you have an extra wide valve, or a pipe configuration with an elbow joint or any obstacle that blocks or limits the clamp from installing on the pipe, you can slide either clamps in or out to avoid that obstacle. The clamp is attached to the joint tightly, but there is a way you can make this adjustment much easier. As you can see, the clamp is tightly coupled. This requires some force to slide it, so instead of forcing it loose, you can first tighten up the thumb screws and close the two clamps. Like this. Now the clamp is becoming very loose for you to adjust its position. When you have the desired position set, turn the thumb screw counterclockwise to open the clamp again. The clamp will now lock in the position itself and ready for install. Here are some examples of the different configurations Custos can accommodate after making the adjustments to the clamps.